So today, I don't even have my watch on. We are here at the Mese Countryside Hospital in, I think this is Clearwater, Florida. And we've got some OTIS elevators to ride here. And look at that, those door setups are different. Look at this, he's probably got modernized. Look at that. Oh, maybe they're not different. Oh, I thought they were on separate controllers because that one didn't light up. Look at this. It's your basic hospital-sized elevator. Well, pretty smooth. Now we'll go down to 1. And we'll get our cab view. Again, your basic hospital-sized elevator, and that was a rough start. It's nice in here, I have to say. It's updated on that. Oh, this is countryside. That doesn't help anything. Safety harbor. Send this one up. There's one on the other side we can go up and ride. Elevator 70. Wow. That doesn't work. It's not good. Take it up to 4. Door close button works. We all like that. Here we go. That's lower pitched. All right, let's go across the bridge. Oh, actually, it's on 2. That one's up to date as well, because of course. Here we are in 2. Look at this bridge. That looks to be like an OTIS elevator too. Here we are on top of the bridge. It's a pretty nice bridge. I'm looking over here, there might actually be another elevator over there. Got another OTIS elevator here. Wow, look at this. This place is pretty nice. I've only had to be here once, thankfully. Oh, look at that. That's a directional lantern. And there's only a down option, but... Oh, let's hold the door for these. Going down? All right. Oh gosh, that didn't sound good. Oh, this is Hydro. It's gonna open up to the hospital. I didn't realize that. I'd have to put the camera down. Oh, it opens up to outside. Oh, going up? Yeah, we're going up.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. It's a nice motor. It opens up on this side. Have a great day. Thank you. That's interesting how they installed a directional lantern right there. Alright. Let's go and see if we can find one more maybe. Oh, those are just stairs over there. Look at this. This is one nice bridge. Alright. Take these down and end it down at the first floor. Here it is, waiting for us. And get the one with the broken indicator. This camera will most likely be upgraded soon. So ignore the glitches in the camera. This is at elevator 71. Alright, there it goes. And that's it.